Installing Skype is just an easy task. It's like a bingo. Just follow my easy steps. Just first go to Google and type skype.com. SKYPE. There you'll find the link Skype free calls friendly. Just click these down links. Just literally scroll down. Get Skype for Windows desktop. Click this link and it's gonna download to your desktop. Click save file. It's gonna save the installation file into your computer. Click agree and next. Install Skype to call. Disable it. Continue. Make Bing, make MSN. This is marketing promotions. Don't uncheck those and click continue. Skype is installing from the net. The Skype is now installed, and right now it's initialize your desktop's or like computer PC settings. Select forward, raise to select forward. So Skype is ready to rock and roll. You need a Skype name and password to log in, so you need to create it first. You have to go to Skype website and click join us, and you have to fill up this form. Let me fill up this form. For example, email number, date of birth, for instance 1 January 1980, for instance, not seriously, including this, like Bangladesh, city, some city, language English. Okay, you can skip this field. How do you skip? Skype name, this is very important. What kind of Skype name do you need? Like I need, maybe I choose MIK, Mike DOWNING, Mike Downing 80. I'm putting my password here. I put my password here, and I need to enter this captcha 2115. Agree and continue. My account is created. I need to sign in to Skype. My login ID is Mike Downing 80. And my password is my password. Secret. Sign in. Yeah, it's signed in. Test. Speakers. You need to click this button if your speaker plays the sounds, and this one it's checking your microphone. You see there's a sign that your microphone is working. Use this picture. Mike Downing online from Bangladesh. Start using Skype. Okay, thanks for watching my videos.